Hello, in front of me I've got DOOGEE V20. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter biometrics and password, and go to screen lock. As you can see right now, we've got 5 types of screen locks: none, swipe, pattern, pin and password. First let's select none. Now let's select swipe. Now let's select fingerprint. Let's go back to screen lock and select pin. Now let's select password. And in the end, let's select pattern. Once it's done, we can set up Fingerprint Unlock. And the fingerprint sensor is located right here on the power button. Simply tap it multiple times and each time adjust the fingerprint position. And the last method to unlock the phone is Face ID. Simply scan your face in this area. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.